Shavuos is the time we got the Torah, and in essence, that is a wedding day between Klal Yisrael and the Torah. In fact, the Tashbetz in Sof Siman Taf Samech Zayin writes that all the minhagim that we have today in the chuppah stem from the original chuppah in Har Sinai, where HaKadosh Baruch Hu turned the mountain over the head. It was actually a chuppah. It's a wedding day. So what if this is a wedding day? There is a din called Shana Rishona, the first year. After Chassan gets married, he must stay at home with his kala. He has to make her happy. He has to make sure she is happy. If that's the case, when we marry the Torah and Shavuos, we have to make sure that the Torah is happy with us. We have to stay with the Torah. We have to make sure the Torah is happy with us. Next year, it starts again, because next year, Shavuos, we go back to the same point in time. A wedding with the Torah. And therefore it comes out that every single year is Shana Rishona, the first year where you have to make sure that you make your Kala happy. If we're going to make our Kala happy, if we're going to make the Torah happy, so then HaKadosh Baruch Hu will be happy with us.